How to add contact us form to Canva website. So hello there, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can add contact us form onto Canva website. So let's open up a site, and from there, here you can see, let me add a text right from here. So let's edit this. I'm going to type in contact us. Contact us. Okay, now that's it. Now let's see how you can do it. So if you want to add a contact us form, so simply choose this text and then click on the three dot, and from there you can tap onto link option, and from there you can add your Instagram link, like you can add Instagram profile link, Facebook profile link, or any other link where you want to contact with the customers. For example, you can also use WhatsApp. Even you can add, for example, I'm going to add Instagram logo. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Let's choose a graphics logo right now. This one is perfect. Now let's make it smaller, and you can add it right here, and you can also add link to it. Tap onto link and paste your link right from here. So let me just show you how you can do it. Paste your link right here, and then you can tap done. Then whenever someone clicks this icon, they will be redirected to this site. Okay, so this is how you can add contact us form to it Canva very easily. You can also create customized site for your Canva website, and then you can add customized contact form. Okay, this is same for the text. You can choose the text right here. Choose the text, then tap onto link, and then you can paste the link. Okay, and then tap enter, and there we go. Whenever someone click this icon, contact us, they will be redirected to your contact site. So that was it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to upload it, tap onto share, then you can copy the link and share it, and etc. You can also download it if you wish to. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on another video.